Okay, in this problem, we want to find the mean score, and so we got our different ranges. This one is actually an actual interval from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so forth. And then we got the number of students that fall in that range. For example, the score from 0 to 10, we know there's 4 students. We don't know where they fall. They could have been all 0, could have been 10, but they're somewhere in that range. This is group data. And so you want to use the group data spreadsheet. So you want to download it if you haven't downloaded it. The range. Get back there. Okay, so the first one is 0 to 10. So you put your smaller number in the lower class limit, larger in the upper class limit. Your frequency, 4. The next one is 10 to 20. It's 10, 20, and our frequency is 1. 20 and 30 and 7. And 30 and 40 and 9. 40 and 50. 6. 50 and 60. 14. 60 and 70. 12. 70 and 80. 14. 80 and 90. 23. 90 and 100. That'd be 8. Okay, so let me double check everything. 417, 41796, 14, 12, 14, 14, 12, 14, 23, 8, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, that all looks right. Okay, so our mean is going to be this right over here. 62.3469 rounded to whatever decimal place.